So you can add several layers at a time by clicking on the Add Data button and then holding the Control key down while you click on the layers you want to add. So if you do that and select several layers and then click the Add button in the lower right-hand corner of the window, it'll add them at the same time. If I had a long list, I could use the Shift key, that is, click the first one, hold the Shift, and click the last one, and all in between would be set up. Now, you notice you get this default styling for the list. It gives default point types or line types, and I can use the zoom button, the magnifying glass, to left click and hold to drag and show my data. Now if I don't like the styling, that is the way the point looks, I can double left click on points, lines, or polygons there in the table of contents on the left, and it'll open a symbol selector with a set of default pre-made symbols that I can use, and I can change the colors. Now if I want to change the layer stack order, I can left click in the table of contents on a layer and drag, left click and hold and drag. Now you usually put the images or rasters on the bottom, then the polygons, then lines, and finally points on top. There's a useful tool called the measure tool, a little ruler there, and I can change how and the units I measure. So here it's set to measure in miles, and there's a cursor there on the top left. You can see that's set for distance. So if I left click at some location and left click again at another location, it lists the distance in the units that I've selected. So I can change on the fly and it'll give me the conversion, so from meters to feet or to miles. And I can do this as many times as I want, noting there in the window what the distance is. I can also click on the polygon to give me an area measure, and then I just click a series of vertexes. Don't necessarily have to be on points, but here they are. And that will then, if I double click at the end, give me the area and the perimeter of the feature that I'm taking a look at. So a handy tool for a quick set of measures.